Start date 10/01/01/20.
Kathi gcina ngaso lesi sibekiwe sothi umhla kaJanuwari 1 2050.
And then the first name,
Ntombizini.
Ntombizini. Igama ke libheki lokuqala uNtombizini.
surname,
Majola.
Sibongo uMajola.
physical address,
Number 19 York Road, Gillets.
Number 19 York Road, Gillis.
and then agent ID,
It's ICAP /VSP 24448 KSNHO.
Code agent ICAP /KSD 2448 KSNA0.
okay. Agent name and surname,
Sohail Shabazz.
Igama ke uSuhail Shabazz.
okay. Evidence before this court, case number 3 through his advocate indicated that this number belongs to him. Does his name appear on the record document?
Athi igama lamsolo sithathu levela yini ku record document le.
What is the accused name?
Tobisi Prince Ngobe.
Igama lamsolo yilokho uMthobisi Prince Mncube.
This does not appear on this RICO information.
It is not.
No.
Athi akulona ke lelivela lapha ku la kubhaliswe khona.
Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1. Exhibit 1. I'll refer back to 2 exhibits that I referred to earlier. Exhibit DD5, I will use them together, my lord. My lord, I want to just highlight a few aspects. I know on Friday we went through this exhibit, but I just want to highlight a few aspects before I move to exhibit JJ8. Just few, my lord. Yes. Let's start 17 June 2020, 085108.
The number ending 6890 was on voicemail. That call came from a number ending 7786. Lasted 2 seconds. And there's no tower defined there.
So on 17 June 2020, inumber egcina ngo-0851, no, inumber egcina ngo-6890 ngesikhathi sika-085108 ithole ingene ku-voicemail. Kusho ukuthi inumber ke bishaya u-77 ile egcina ngo-7786 ihlale imisuzwana emibili kuphela ayikhombisi lapho ithawa ukuthi yiphi ebisetshenziswa.
And then if we refer the court to exhibit DD5, index number 228, can you place index number 228 on record?
228 reflects Ndiza.
228 ikhombisa uNdiza.
My lord, just for the sake of clarity, where the witness is referring to is the download that was done by Colonel House, the phone book of accused number 2. And then the number there, 228.
081 057 5586.
So the number again, was it 057 5586?
7786.
77, not 5.
7786.
Oh, number again, 7786.
Is it now the same number that attempted to call accused number 2?
But you know, in the number of Shaila, Solo Westbilly,
Yes.
that is good.
And then immediately after that entry, is it still the same number?
Thereafter, at 9:37:18 seconds, the same number appears. The number ending 6890 was still on voicemail.
But Ngeskaska 0937, 18 seconds, you have a foot the number. The number is now 6890. Yes, a good voice me.
MS, and that was from number N at 02:22:23 seconds on the 20th of June.
Twage gcina ngomhla 20 kuJune isikhathi ku 02:22 imizuzu 23 imizuzwana.
Can you count how many SMSs are there? (2020) 150759.
20 called was number ending in 6750, and that lasted 22 seconds.
Twage ngomhla 20 kuJune isikhathi ku 1509:070 yahlala ke imizuzwana 22 imizuzwana.
Now let's refer to Exhibit DD5 on entry number 119.
Entry number,
119.
and the number is 079 069 6750.
Ithi lapha kubonakala kubhele igama likamama wemi, inamba evelayo 079 069 6750.
June 2020, 1723:08. No. Before that, can you explain the duration of a voicemail that lasted for 22 seconds?
Uchaza ukuthi kwenze kanjani ukuthi kube nomlayezo noma ivoicemail iyahlala imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nambili.
It's actually self-explanatory. 6890 was on voicemail or switched off. This number ending 6750 tried to contact the number ending 680.
So iyachaza lento ukuthi le number egcina ngo6890 ku-voicemail, so ke lenye inamba ku6850 yayizama ke ukuyithinda.
The call wasn't answered and a message was left.
So ke ngoba engenampendulo kuleyo phone kwashiwa ke umlayezo.
Okay, and then thereafter, the same number tries to make contact.
Yes, at 19 40 seconds on the same day, and that lasted 2 seconds.
So ke le number futhi yaphinde yashaya ngomhla 26 June 2020 1921
And thereafter, the last one.
Thereafter, 10 seconds later, at 19,
Shomi ngesikhathi kwaku 1921 and 52nd le number ke ya 6750 yaphinde yazama ukushaya yaphinde yangena ke ku voicemail lapho yahlala khona imizuzwana emihlanu.
Okay. Now, 26 June 2020, 1640, 29.
16, 40, 29.
That's correct.
On the 26th of June, the number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 6750, which lasted 91 seconds.
Kuthiwa ngomhla ka 26 June vela kule number shakalolunye na ngomhla 26 kuyo June isikhathi 17:23 and 8 seconds the number igcina 6890 yathola umlayezo wohlobo lwe SMS evela kule number igcina ngo 2412.
Okay, now let's refer to Exhibit DD5, index number 149.
Number 149 reflects GoGo. 066 068
Get the number again 066.
066 068 2412.
Kuthiwa ke can you please give me the whole message? Into listed
GoGo 066 068 2412.
Kuthiwa ke lana igama elivelayo ugogo inumber u-06606682412.
Let's move to page 2, 29 July 2020, 09250.
090250 seconds. The number 6890 was on voicemail. That call came from the number ending 6397. It lasted 4 seconds.
So mhla ka 29 July 2020 isikhathi u-090250 seconds number igcina ngo-6890 yazama ukuthindwa ile number egcina ngo-6397 bangena ku-voicemail hlala ke imizuzwana emine.
And then Exhibit DD5, index number 37.
Kuthiwa ke isikhathi ka 2042:11 seconds inumber egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-2189 bahlala ke imizuzwana makhulu ayisikhombisa mashumi ayisihlanu nesikhombisa imizuzwana.
Now let's refer to Exhibit DD5, page 7, index number 160.
160 reflects SB Ntanzi 072 793 2189.
So ke lo index 160 ekhombisa ke ukuthi kubhalwe ukuthi SB Ntanzi number ke 072 793 2189.
Now we're about to conclude. 25 August 2020, 2013, 26.
During this time, 689 0 made an outgoing call that lasted 1,180 seconds to the number ending 6995.
So-ke umhla ka-23 August 2020 inumber ngaso lesikhathi le number egcina ngo-6890 ngiyashaya ukuthi ngishayela le number egcina ngo-6995 bahlala-ke inkulungwane ikhulu nemishumi ayisishiyagalombili emizuzwana.
And then exhibit GD5, index number 170 on page 7.
Index 170 reflects Baba Fenzika 072 813 699.
So index 170 ukukhombisa uba kuzenzeka inumber 072 813 6995.
August 2020, 1722 and 0.
Just repeat your time, please.
172201.
Okay. At this time, 31 August 2020, 17:22:01 seconds, 126, which
August 2020, cut for 17:22:01, inumber egcina ngo-6890 yashaya ukuthi ngishayela le number egcina ngo-7126 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamakhulu amabili nemizuzwana emine.
And then exhibit DD5, page 9, index number 116.
116 reflects Sisi Noka Yiso.
Index number?
116. Number is 073 756 7126.
Number la ku index 116 isebenzisa ibhale ukuthi usisinkanyiswa. Inumber go 073 756 7126.
Okay.
So, if I may interject, I've allowed this process to go on as far as it can. If we have a look at the annexure that is cross-referenced to the exhibit that my learned colleague is talking about, that is annexure to exhibit DD5. According to the evidence of Colonel House, phone book that is related to this exhibit, annexure reference has been made, refers to the number 2772-505-7056. Yet my colleague is asking about 6890, the number ending with 6890. This is not the call data relating to 6890, it's the call data relating to 7056. If I may clarify, it seems my learned colleague is lost. My learned colleague is asking, for example, on the 26th of October 2020 at 16:40:29, 6890 made a call and received a call from 6750, then he'll cross-reference to index 149, which reflects GOGO. Yet that annexure that he refers to, according to host, the annexure related to the download of the phone number 2772-505-7056, not the number ending with 6890 that my learned colleague is talking about.
Yes, sir. What's your response?
My Lord, I am only focusing on the phone book to extract the names of the people appearing as on this phone book. Whether it was taken from which other phone number, to me, it does not take the case any further. I'm focusing on the names vis-a-vis the section 205.
Correct numbers.
Yes. Incorrect numbers.
Yeah, that's what he said. Can you sort
My Lord,
that out?
what is happening is that my Lord will remember, for background purposes, we've admitted two. Now the number ending where the names of the people that he wants to correlate to the transactions, we know that it belongs to the ex-girlfriend. It does not belong to accused number 2. And how these numbers come to be in the phone book of the ex-girlfriend is another story, my Lord. So my friend is phone book of 505 and wants to make a correlation with the calls made from 6890.
Yes, sir.
My Lord, I am merely as per the evidence of